Want to start a fight? Bring up money. It's a surefire way to ignite tensions and create rifts, even among the closest of friends and family members. Money is one of the biggest stressors in relationships. Whether it's between partners, friends, or family, financial issues can cause significant strain and lead to heated arguments and misunderstandings. Friends and family can sometimes pressure us into spending more than we should. The desire to fit in or not disappoint loved ones can lead us to make financial decisions that aren't in our best interest. This financial peer pressure can wreck your budget, derail your financial goals, and even strain your relationships. It's a slippery slope that can lead to long-term financial instability. But don't worry, there are ways to handle this. By setting clear financial boundaries and communicating openly with your loved ones, you can navigate these pressures effectively. The pressure to keep up appearances or help others financially can lead to debt, stress, and resentment. It's important to recognize these feelings and address them before they escalate. It's important to remember that your financial well-being is your responsibility. You have the power to make decisions that align with your financial goals and values. You have the right to make choices that align with your goals, even if they differ from your loved ones. It's okay to say no to expenses that don't fit your budget. This isn't about being selfish, it's about being smart. Prioritizing your financial health ensures that you can be there for your loved ones in the long run. In this essay, we'll explore practical ways to handle financial peer pressure while maintaining strong relationships. From setting boundaries to finding budget-friendly alternatives, there are many strategies to help you stay on track. Remember, you can be generous without going broke. Thoughtful gestures and time spent together can be just as valuable as monetary gifts. It's all about finding a balance that works for you and your financial situation. By taking control of your finances and making mindful decisions, you can reduce stress and build stronger, healthier relationships. Let's dive into these strategies and take the first step towards financial peace of mind. Financial peer pressure isn't always obvious. It can sneak up on you in the most unexpected ways, making you question your financial decisions and priorities. It can be subtle, like backhanded comments about your choices. These comments might seem harmless at first, but over time, they can erode your confidence and make you feel inadequate.
Still driving that old car? It's a question that can sting, especially when it comes from someone you care about or look up to. The implication is clear. Your car isn't good enough.
Why don't you ever go on vacation? This question can make you feel like you're missing out on life, even if you're making responsible financial choices.
Sound familiar? These are just a few examples of how financial peer pressure can manifest in your life. Sometimes it's more direct, like expecting you to loan money you can't afford to lose. Recognize the signs. It's crucial to be aware of these pressures so you can take steps to protect yourself. Do you feel obligated to spend money you don't have to impress someone? This kind of pressure can lead to financial strain and long-term debt. Do you agree to outings or activities knowing they'll bust your budget? It's easy to get caught up in the moment, but the financial consequences can be severe. Are you constantly bailing out friends or family? While it's natural to want to help loved ones, it's important to set boundaries to protect your own financial well-being. If so, you might be experiencing financial peer pressure. This pressure can lead to stress, anxiety, and even resentment. This pressure often stems from a desire to fit in, please loved ones, or avoid conflict. It's a common struggle, but it's important to remember that your financial health should come first. But remember, true friends and family will support your financial decisions even if they don't fully understand them. They will respect your choices and encourage you to make decisions that are best for you. It's your life, your money, your choices. Don't let anyone make you feel guilty for prioritizing your financial well-being. Stand firm in your decisions and take control of your financial future. Setting boundaries is crucial. It's an essential part of maintaining your mental and financial health. You have the right to say no to requests that make you uncomfortable financially. It's important to remember that your financial stability comes first. This can be tough, especially with loved ones, but it gets easier with practice. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to assert your boundaries. Start by being firm and direct. Clear communication is key. When you say no, do it with confidence and without hesitation.
Instead of vague excuses, try saying, "That's not in my budget right now." This straightforward approach leaves little room for misunderstanding. Or I'm saving for something important, so I'll have to pass. This shows that you have priorities and are committed to them. You don't owe elaborate explanations. A simple, honest response is often the best way to go. Your finances are your own business. You have the right to manage your money in a way that best suits your needs and goals. Remember, saying no to a financial request isn't selfish. It's responsible. It's about taking care of yourself and your future. It's about prioritizing your financial well-being so you can achieve your goals and live a life free from money worries. Setting clear financial boundaries helps you stay on track. You're in control of your money, not the other way around. By setting boundaries and saying no when necessary, you empower yourself to make the best financial decisions for your life.
Guilt trips are a common tactic used to pressure people into spending. You might hear things like,
If you were a real friend, you would.
Family is supposed to help each other out.
don't fall for it. Remember, you can't help others if your own finances are a mess. Offer alternative solutions instead of giving in to guilt. For example, you could offer practical support, like helping them create a budget or find resources to improve their situation. True generosity comes from a place of love and support, not obligation or guilt. Don't let anyone manipulate you into making financial decisions that aren't in your best interest. It's about values. You do you financially. Understand that your values and priorities might differ from your friends and family.
Maybe you prioritize saving for retirement or paying off debt, while they prioritize expensive vacations or designer clothes. That's okay.
Don't be afraid to be open about your financial goals and the steps you're taking to achieve them. This can help others understand your perspective and respect your decisions. It might even inspire them to get their own finances in order.
Remember, you're not responsible for funding someone else's lifestyle. Your financial journey is unique to you. Focus on your goals, make responsible choices, and don't let anyone shame you for it.
Money talks, but calmly. Communication is key. Open and honest. Communication is essential for navigating financial differences with loved ones.
If someone's pressuring you, address the issue directly but calmly. Avoid accusatory language or getting defensive.
Try saying something like, I feel pressured when you ask me to spend money I don't have. I care about you, but I need to make responsible financial choices for myself.
Be prepared to compromise. Maybe you can suggest less expensive alternatives for outings or activities. The key is to find a middle ground that respects everyone's financial limits and priorities. Smart money moves. Build your financial confidence. The more confident you are in your financial knowledge and decision-making skills, the easier it will be to resist peer pressure. Take control of your finances by creating a budget, tracking your spending, and setting realistic financial goals. Explore resources like books, podcasts, and workshops to enhance your financial literacy. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions, regardless of external pressures. Remember, knowledge is power. When you feel in control of your finances, you're less likely to be swayed by the opinions or expectations of others.
Friends over finances relationships matter most. It's important to remember that true friends and family will support your financial decisions even if they don't agree with them. If someone constantly pressures you or makes you feel bad about your choices, it might be time to reevaluate the relationship. Focus on building relationships with people who share your values and respect your boundaries. Surround yourself with a supportive network that encourages your financial well-being. Remember, your worth isn't determined by your bank account balance. True wealth comes from strong relationships and a life lived on your own terms.
Saying yes to yourself, your future self will thank you. Every time you resist financial peer pressure, you're saying yes to your future self. You're choosing financial freedom and peace of mind over temporary gratification and the approval of others. Imagine yourself years from now, debt-free, financially secure, and living a life you love. That's the power of making responsible financial choices today. Remember, your financial well-being is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your progress, and don't let anyone derail your journey to financial success. Take control, you got this. Handling financial peer pressure can be challenging, but it's essential for your financial well-being and your relationships. Remember, you have the right to make choices that align with your values and goals. Set boundaries, communicate openly, and focus on building your financial confidence. Surround yourself with supportive people who respect your decisions, and never forget, your financial future is worth fighting for. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Until the next time.